Hello and welcome to Social. Today we'll react to SHINee's Still Raining live clip slash stage video, I think, because they for some reason haven't said what it is. But anyway, let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I love the quiet. There were no sounds at first. Makes interesting. No, isn't this? Ooh. Wow, what a visual. I think I like this one even better than the first one. Wow, this is cool. Wow. Oh, I love Mino's voice there. I think it was great to it. Where have this as a meme? This feels like a high quality performance music video, but from their concert. More of this. Oh no. This is very artistically made. Love the rain effect. It had almost mystery to it. That was fantastic. Very different from their Atmos stage video. Completely different atmosphere and editing, and just the whole thing was different. Wow. I completely love that. And that's something I'm glad that SMR finally starting to do. Actually release stage videos and clips from their concerts, and not just either a recap video or a couple of pictures. But keep doing this, keep upgrading, keep us engaged, us that weren't able to see them live. This is perfect. Very artistically made as well. So I don't know, is it? I mean, it says it's from the actual SHINee concert, but it's interesting that they don't call it a stage video. I wonder why. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my reaction. As always, please hit that like button. Please comment below in fam. Please subscribe and have a fantastic day. See you soon.